everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in this video today I decided to make some quick rice and beans, so come on with me guys. Now we needed some fresh rice, a can of Goya pink beans, and then of course my my house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano, or Italian seasoning. And then we're going to be using some olive oil and some water, and we are going to be using some of the Goya powdered bouillon and ham, and some of the Goya sazon with achote. So let's get started, guys. Now with this mixture here, I decided to add some meat. So we're going to use some ground beef, and we're also going to chop up some fresh onion. This is going to taste amazing. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals, and it's an open invitation collaboration. It's every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can make anything from a smoothie all the way down to dessert or even outdoor cooking. Now the host of this collaboration is Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Jean Home Decor and More, and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now I am using chicken stock instead of regular water to cook this meal, and it did come out amazing, guys. So I'm just going to play some music so you can watch me here put this dish together. Okay guys, so this rice looks absolutely amazing, and it's not every time I can get my rice to cook right. But this came out so good. Let's head on over to the review. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Jean Home Decor and More and Deborah Cabasa Home Living for hosting this collaboration with me. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.